Today's word is confident. Confident means feeling sure about yourself and your ability. It means you believe you can do something well. She is confident on stage. He feels confident in class. I am confident today. They look confident. Curious means wanting to know something. It means you want to learn more.
I want to learn more.
That's the spirit. Stay curious. The child is curious about stars. She is curious about the box.
I am curious today.
They are curious learners. Nervous means feeling worried or afraid. It happens before something important. He is nervous before exams. She is nervous on stage. I am nervous today. They feel nervous. Proud means feeling happy about something you did. It means you feel good about your achievement. She is proud of her drawing. He is proud of his work. I am proud today. They feel proud. Responsible means taking care of duties. It means people can trust you. When you're responsible, you complete your work on time, and you keep your promises to others. He is responsible for classwork. She is responsible at home. I am responsible today. They are responsible students. All right, class, let's look at the word on the board. Reluctant. It means you're not sure and you hesitate.
Like being scared?
Yes, exactly. It's about overcoming that feeling. He is reluctant to speak. She is reluctant to try new food. I am reluctant today. They feel reluctant. Confused means not understanding something. It means things are not clear in your mind. He is confused about the question. She is confused in math class. I am confused today. They look confused. Brave means not afraid to face fear. It means showing courage. He is brave in the dark. She is brave on stage. I am brave today. They are brave children. Hello everyone. Today we learn about being polite. This is our word for today, polite. Polite means being kind and showing good manners, like saying please and thank you. She is polite to elders. He is polite in class. I am polite today. They are polite children. Honest means telling the truth. It means not lying or cheating. Being honest helps us trust each other. Can anyone give me an example? He is honest with his teacher. She is honest about her mistake. I am honest today. They are honest children.